na pala makita dito. Tingnan.
Sa Cebu kasi yung nito.
Hindi pa ma...
Okay, it's now.
Okay. Hello. Hi, Jaden.
Say hi, Tia. Hi. Do you want a little sister, Jaden? Yeah. Okay. You should ask your mom. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Hi, everyone. So this is our dinner for today's video.
Aircon because don't know how to operate it.
We have lechon manok.
How to make it open, yeah.
We have fish too. Rice lang. Ay, hindi ko makita.
Kaya magamit na nede. Thank you, Da! Hi, Lala! Paghilos ako mga Breton dito. Hi! English speaking. First meal in the house of Alquizolas.
Ay, you're eating na.
Manang!
Wow!
Oh my gosh.
How are they, auntie?
Look at this, Pram.
Roy.
Pram, Manang. Itaki, kang Roytig, kang Ayan. Pram, baliktad mo na lang. Sinong hahawak? Hawaii rin, ante.
Jaden, Darren.
Kay i-blow ni Tita Christy para makasama ka sa video. Kuya Roy, Ate Ayan, and Manang Barji. Thank you for your effort. Salamat sa inyong love and care.
Anong wishes mo? Lahat mag-wish ka kahit wala nang apoy.
Bob. Yep.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1, smile.
Okay? Alright. Okay, let's go inside the house. And hi guys, welcome to General Lao Resort in Salvador. Let's eat kamuti.
Hi, I'm eating kamuti.
Hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Hello vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Papakilala ka.
Ako po ay si Dudong Suareng, kaibigan ni Elvis.
Hello vlog.
Hi, I am Elvis Presley.
Hello vlog.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Lauren Alquizola. Nandito kami sa Salvador. Welcome to my guys. Kinilaw, Salvador.
Wow, Ginamosis life. First time niya, so kakain siya. Han?
Don't try mine, Dad.
No, I already had one. Actually, I had
You don't like? Give it to Ate Joy.
No, this is Ate Bayan.
Give it to Milk ha. Dali daw siya milk. Kuha milk.
Sorry.
Di daw siya ganahan.
Akin na nga lang yan. Ay, dito ka na bulad antipod.
No, I like that, but I don't like it with that.
Tigas jam. Don't like it. They with rice.
Dili siya
I like it
ganahan.
with rice, but not with the
Try this
banana.
with the rice. Yung tomato. Hindi ka maulog.
Lami yaw eh. Sarap.
Antay ka, antay.
Ay, kamuti. Kuha po dani oy.
Saging.
Hi. Busy kayo sila. Vlog.
Huwag ka magsalita.
What can you say? Ano masasabi mo?
Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wala na yung mga.
Ano? Ginuko?
Tinutuwag yung mga anak.
Kung matuwad.
Saka naman 16.
Hi! Hi,